Hello, my dear students. This is Mr. Farah. Today is the third day, week 3, term 1. Today is Tuesday, 15th of September 2020. You can find this lesson in your book, page number 41. Today we'll learn how we can find the probability that an event doesn't happen. Okay, in the previous year, we learned how we can find the probability of an event. But today we'll find the probability of events that doesn't happen. Okay, before we start, let's remember what's the meaning of probability. Probability means the possibility of the event if it would happen or it will not happen. Okay, how we can find mathematically the probability? We'll say the probability it's equal all the time the number of events divided by the number of all outcomes. As example, here we have in the bag we have a 12 ball totally. This means the number of outcomes it's equal 12 balls. But here as example, if we want to find the probability of red, we'll say all the outcomes they are 12 balls and the number of red balls they are 7, the number of events. Same thing with a blue ball, blue balls. But in this lesson today, we want to find what's the probability of not red, probability of not red, probability of not events. Okay, here we'll say the outcomes is constant. We have 12 balls, but how many balls they are not red? We have only the blue balls, they are 5 balls. Therefore, the probability of not red, they are 5 balls, they are not red out of 12 balls totally. Okay, look for this question. Here we have 7 cards from 1 till 7. We want to find the probability of, as example, part A, picking a 3. We want to find the probability of number 3. We'll say the total outcomes down, do we have 7 cards? But how many cards there are 3, the events here? It's 1 card. Sorry, it's only 1 card. Therefore, the probability of 3, it's 1 out of 7. Now, what is the probability part B? What's the probability of not 3? I don't need a 3. I will take all the cards except the 3. We'll say that the outcomes all, they are 7. But all the cards, they are not 3. 1 it's not 3, 2 is not 3, 4 is not 3, 5 is not 3, 6 is not 3, 7 is not 3. We have 6 cards, they are not 3. Therefore, the probability of not 3, 6 out of 7. Same thing for the other questions. Okay, this question I will keep it for you. Here we have a bag. There's 3 type of balls. I want you to find the probability of each question from part A to part D. And tomorrow we'll solve it in the class and we'll discuss the your answer. Okay, today we remember what's the meaning of probability, how we can find the probability of event, and the new things that we learned, how we can find the probability of event doesn't happen. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow.